Oh, look at that. Uh-oh, use your hand.
What do you want me to do now?
See if he'll grab it out of its mouth. Bring his hand to it.
I think we're...
There we go. He's okay if he gets the whole thing. It's going to dissolve. He doesn't swallow it whole. Okay, do it again, buddy. Uh-oh. That was such a good job.
Here you go, Bubs. Here you go.
You do one more? Oh. It's progress. We're headed in the right direction. Good job, Bubba.
Sure. Alright, one more time. Come on. One more time. That's your finger. There's a T on there.
Yay! Good job! Clap. I can't clap with the camera.
Yay!
Big
Use your
boy!
hand. Use your hand. There you go.